The remarkable speed and accuracy of these machines revolutionized the forestry sector, transforming the formerly labor-intensive job of cutting down large trees into a rapid and awe-inspiring process. On these chainsaws more frequently. Let's begin. The Husqvarna 365 has a formidable 5.8 horsepower engine. With a 28-inch bar length, it can handle giant trees with dexterity and power. Amidst the rugged mountains and forests, 90 chain saw asserts its dominance thanks to being controlled by a powerful engine. With an impressive cutting speed of about 65 feet per second, it tackles a tree trunk with mastery and precision. Step into the heart of the woods with the John Deere 1170, a 2020 model equipped with the 413 head and an impressive 5,800 hours of service. This wooden behemoth stands tall in its jungle theatre, easily handling giant trees. Unleash the raw power of the John Deere 1170 754, the forestry machine capable of transforming the forest into a kingdom of efficiency. With a precision 754 harvester head that creates a precise symphony in every giant tree it falls. Embark on forest adventures with the Valmet 901.3, with the very fast and agile SPE 451 Elf Harvester, a giant tree craftsman that redefines the art of logging, with a powerful 250 horsepower motor and incredible Holzformer Gate 180 8 122 8.6e with an impressive engine of 8.6 horsepower and an incredible cutting. Forestry world admire it. Let's look at John Deere as a forestry machine that can turn towering trees into manageable chunks. With its robust design and advanced technology, this beast of a machine ensures efficiency in every shot. Grinder. This compact yet powerful machine is a game changer in the tree stump removal industry, easily turning difficult to plant tree stumps into mulch. The style Mrs. 880, 1 and Husqvarna 3120 XP chainsaws are giants in wood transformation, easily turn towering tree trunks into manageable sections. With human intelligence, a Mucleod homemade firewood processing machine has been used and tested. This has helped split wood layers easily and accurately, saving working time. Start with the Kubota Splan 95 two-stem grinder, going from top to bottom with unparalleled precision. With impressive processing speed, the Kubota Splan 95 2s ensures fast and efficient operation, reducing the amount of remaining stumps to mulch in an instant. Unleash the style Mrs. 881, 8.7 horsepower. This beast of a machine dominates the forest, easily cutting through tree trunks with precision and power. The 761 ELF is an advanced botanical masterpiece. This machine is meticulously crafted with incredible processing speeds. The V761 ELF significantly reduces the time needed to process large logs, making it a force to reckon with in the forestry sector. Unleash the power of Kobelco S235, a formidable force in the heart of the forest. Armed with superior cutting capabilities, the S235 turns towering trees into manageable sections, revolutionizing the logging experience. Grapple saw, mounted on skid. This powerful tool seamlessly combines the agility of a skid, revolutionizing efficiency and productivity. The 2013 Deere 843 currently dominates the logging field at pine plantation, processing the mightiest trees with precision and speed. The Deere 843 redefined the logging game, turning work hours into minutes. (156) and Southstar Cusset 600 processor with precision beyond expectations, combining power and speed, leaving a trail of productivity. The John Deere 3150 SIG and Southstar 600 perform The Hall's former G70 is a formidable chainsaw with an incredible 105.7 engine. Whether cutting hardwood or handling large logs, the G70 is the epitome of cutting prowess. Harness the precision of the John Deere 859 mess as it moves deftly through the woods, felling trees with unparalleled efficiency. Equipped with advanced technology, this forestry harvester seamlessly turns towering trees into manageable sections. Designed for efficiency, the Motosega Hydraulica misses 750 chops trees with ease, demonstrating marvel at its refined hydraulic capabilities as it transforms the chopping job laborious tree into a quick and controlled operation. Their superior speed not only speeds up the mining process, but also enhances safety measures, minimizing the time and effort required for each operation. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel to support me.